Hey everybody, it's the Handbag Hauler here, coming to you with a very quick unboxing. I first saw this bag on Dooney Addict 615's channel. She introduced this. I loved it when I saw it. Then I ended up going into Dillard's and I saw it there. I got a chance to actually hold it and see it in person, check out the size and all of that, and it was perfect. However, I ended up missing out on it. But lo and behold, I saw it on Amazon. I said, I'm going to take my chance and I'm going to order Dooney and Bourke from Amazon. And this is the experience I had. I had no issues. It did come in a DBI box. I had no issues with a crush box or any of that. It was awesome. As soon as I pulled this out of the box, I loved it. I was looking for this. I'm so glad I found it. And it has great organization. As you can see, a zip pocket in the inside. Got some card slots there. You have another slip pocket right there. It has a wristlet where it's comfortable enough for you to carry on your arm. And it's a very good size, very roomy. I'm sure I can fit my phone and keys and cards that I need. Something quick to go out, or if I don't want to carry a bag, I can just carry this. Or I can put this into my tote and have whatever I need as a tech bag or whatever. Check it out. Thank me later.